Hello everyone, konnichiwa. Welcome to our vocabulary lesson 1. Can you hear me? Okay, so let's proceed to our vocabulary lesson. Watashi. Watashi. This is the kanji for watashi. I. I, myself, me. Watashi. Anata. Anata. You. Sang. Sang. Mr. Miss. It is a suffix added to a name, a person's name, to show politeness. Nihon. Nihon. This is the kanji for Nihon. Japan. Japan. Tsugoku. Tsugoku. This is the kanji for Tsugoku. China. China. Tsugoku. China. Kankoku. Kankoku. Kanji for Kankoku. Korea. Kankoku. Korea. America. America. USA. America. USA. Endo. Endo. India. India. Deutsch. Deutsch. Germany. Germany. Daigaku. Daigaku. University. Kanji for Daigaku. University. Koukou. Koukou. High school. Kanji for Koukou. High school. Gakkou. Gakkou. High school. Gakkou. School. Gakkou. School. Sensei. Sensei. Teacher. Teacher. Sensei. Teacher. Gakusei. Gakusei. Student. Student. Namae. Namae. Name. Name. Ano kata. Ano kata. Kanji for kata. That person. Ano kata. That person. Kara. Kara. From. Kara. From. Kuru. Kuru. Come. Come. Iku. Iku. Iko is a verb to go. Iku and kuru is verb means to come. And iku is to go. Remember that. Donata is noun, indicating the meaning of who. Who are you? Who? Who are you? Donata. Who? Donata. Who are you? Way, in a polite way of saying, we say donata. Donata. Tomodachi. Tomodachi. Friend. Isha. Doctor. Isha. This is the kanji for Isha. Doctor. Engineer. 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 Kaishaen. Kaishaen. Company employee. Sarariman. Sarariman. Company employee. Oishi. Oishi. Delicious. Oishi. Delicious. Oki. Oki. Big. Kuni, kuni, country, nation. Go, go, language. Jin, jin, a country's people or a person. No? Jin indicating person. For example, Nihon. Nihon is Japan, right? If you add Jin, it will become Japanese. Nihonjin. For example, I is a Filipino. I'm living in Japan, but I'm a Filipino. So I say Philippinjin. Philippinjin. Next is Kohi. Kohi. Coffee. Hatsui. Hatsui. Hot. Samui. Samui. Cold. No. No indicates of belonging to or no also used to connect noun and noun. No is used to connect noun plus noun. Hon, hon, book, book. Kuruma, kuruma, car, car. Yamada, Yamada, a Japanese surname. Sato, Sato, Japanese surname. Suzuki, Suzuki, a Japanese surname. Kyushitsu, Kyushitsu, classroom, classroom. Thank you for listening. I hope you learn something new in our first lesson. Thank you for listening. I hope you have learned our topic today about Japanese vocabulary for beginners. Lesson 1. See you next time.